Hello everyone, from this video lecture we are going to discuss about the contraception, which is a type of birth control method. So the birth control method which prevent the process of fertilization or which prevent the fusion of male and female gamete, it is known as the parturition. The contraception. The birth control measures to prevent fertilization. The birth control method to prevent fertilization, it is known as the contraception. So first of all we need to know the ideal contraceptive methods, or what are the features for an ideal contraceptive methods. Features are an ideal contraceptive methods. Means when a contraceptive methods will be called as an ideal contraceptive method. So for that purpose there should be a need of following the following feature or the given feature. जो भी फीचर्स अभी हम बात करने जा रहे हैं उन सभी फीचर्स के बारे में या उन सभी फीचर्स को जो है फॉलो करना किसी भी आइडियल कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन के लिए ज़रूरी होता है. सो व्हाट आर द फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स need to be followed by an ideal contraceptive method. These are: the first is user friendly. The contraceptive method should be user friendly. User friendly का means the contraceptive method, there should no any complications in the use of the contraceptive methods during the process of sexual intercourse or before the process of sexual intercourse. The second feature, it is the easily available. Means when we want to use the contraceptive methods, it will be available or it should be available to us. So that is the means of easy availability. Means it can be easily available for us to use as contraception. Means all over or all the time when we want to use, it is available for us, so it will be called an ideal contraception. The next is the reversible. An ideal contraception should be reversible. Means after the contraception, if we want to conception again, we can remove this contraception and follow the conception process. So that is the reversibility. So any contraceptive method which will be reversible will be called it will be called the ideal contraceptive methods. Then the next feature is no or less side effect. So an ideal contraception or contraceptive methods has or should has no or least साइड इफ़ेक्ट. मीन्स उसका जो साइड इफ़ेक्ट होता है, बहुत सारे साइड इफ़ेक्ट हैं. अभी इसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. इसमें जो है नोज़िया आता है, इरिटेशन आता है और नंबर ऑफ अदर प्रॉब्लम्स भी आते हैं. तो वो सारे जो साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं या तो नहीं होने चाहिए या बहुत ही कम होने चाहिए. दैट इज़ द फीचर ऑफ एन आइडियल कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन. Then the next feature of an that is the effective. Any contraception which will be effective or more effective or their effect is becomes 100%, that contraception or contraceptive methods will be called an ideal contraceptive methods. Then no interfere with sexual drive or desire or act. Means an ideal contraceptive are those contraceptive which do not interfere or which do not affect negatively the sexual drive or desire or the sexual act. So these are the various features of various feature which should be in an ideal contraceptive methods. Means कोई किसी भी contraceptive methods में अगर ये सारे features हैं, that contraceptive methods will be called an ideal contraceptive methods. The next, let us talk about a type of contraceptive methods. Means the group in which the contraceptive methods can be divided. So the next topic is types of contraception. So we can group the contraception in different category on the basis of its nature, its shape and its reversibility. So broadly it can be categorized into two categories, that is temporary contraception and permanent. Broadly it can be classified into these two categories, temporary and permanent. So what are the contraception comes under the temporary and what are the contraception comes under permanent? Let us discuss. So in the case of temporary, there will the category is divided into two that is natural or traditional method. Natural or traditional methods of contraception. Then the second is the artificial or man-made. The second category of artificial or man-made. The artificial can be divided into different category. So in the case of in the category of artificial, this is the barrier method. In which we will discuss about the physical as well as chemical barrier. Physical barrier and chemical barrier. Barrier methods will be again divided into two categories, that is physical barrier and chemical barrier. Then the next is the IUDs, intrauterine devices. Which can be also known as IUCDs, intrauterine contraceptive devices. Then the oral pills. The pills which is taken orally is another category. Then injection, then the implants. So these are the different contraception methods comes under the category of artificial or man-made. Then and these natural or traditional method along with the artificial or man-made, these are the contraceptive methods comes under the category of temporary contraception. Now let us make the list of permanent contraceptive methods. So under the category of permanent contraceptive methods, the methods comes, it is the surgical method. So why it is comes under the category of permanent method? Because this method is poorly reversible. ये बहुत ही पुअर होता है, रिवर्सिबल. सो इसलिए इसको हम परमानेंट मेथड्स की कैटेगरी में रखते हैं. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज स्टरलाइजेशन. So sterilization or surgical method, it is a permanent method because its reversibility is very poor. And this sterilization or surgical method can again divide into two categories, that is vasectomy in the case of male. In the case of male it is known as vasectomy, while in the case of female it is known as pubectomy. In the case of female, in which surgically the process becomes done to block the path of transport of male gamete as well as female gamete in the case of permanent method or surgical method, sterilization method. So these are the number of contraception or contraceptive methods, and about these contraceptive methods we will discuss in detail from the next video lecture.